Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. Today we're going to do a makeover on some lampshades. So welcome, I'm glad you're here. I hope you enjoy this quick little tutorial. We're going to change just an average plain lampshade and make it spectacular. Okay, let's get started, y'all. Okay, first of all, this was kind of glued around, and I am just unattaching this. I had bought the lamps some years ago at Kirkland's, I believe. And then who remembers the store Steinmart? One of my favorite stores. I love these, and I had bought several of these. I think 2, maybe 3, and they have magnets on them. So, all right, I got this trim. I got 3 yards at Amazon, and I think I paid maybe $11 for it. They have some that's a lot higher. I did not find any much cheaper, but I thought that was a good price. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start, and we're going to add, it's got a piece of tape there. I'm probably going to leave, let me cut just a little bit of that off. I'll probably overlap it. Cut the tape off at the back there. All right, so right here is the what I would call the back of the lampshade, because that's where their seam meets. So that's where I'm going to start my seam. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go around just like this. And look, you can already tell a big difference. This is just a quick way to upscale your lampshades and not have to buy new lampshades. Y'all, lampshades has gotten expensive. So I'm just taking some hot glue here. Trying to keep it going straight. Now, they do have fabric hot glue, and you can use that. But you can use regular hot glue as long as you're not putting it in the washing machine. And they do have the Surebonder hot glue that you can use for fabric. If you are going to be putting it, hot glue in something that's going to go in the washing machine. So I had measured my lampshade going around, and I was going to need about 44 inches, I believe. That's what I had measured. So they had this in a 3-yard package, and I said, well, that will just be perfect. I've always had a lot of burgundy and maroons in my home decor. And if you try to buy lampshades with this kind of trim already on it, they're very expensive. I would take y'all along on the journey of me trying to spruce up some things in my home and give you some ideas of maybe things if you wanted to kind of, instead of trying to break the bank, just kind of do it economically. Ways to kind of cut some corners and still change things up a little bit. If you're like me, I don't change a lot of my home decor, but I always like to change a little bit here, there, and yonder, or maybe add a piece or two here or there. Then I need to go purge some of it. Okay, so we've made it around, and I'm going to cut this. Hopefully it doesn't fray. I'm going to try to cut between the two. Now, I'm going to add just a touch of hot glue here to keep this from fraying until I do the other one. So I'm just going to let it overlap a little bit. I guess that's about, I would guess about 1/2 of an inch. And I put hot glue on the underside. That way it won't ravel, hopefully. So then on the front, because these have got magnets, look at here, we can put this just like that. And at any given time, I can take it off or put it on. Now, I'm not sure if, I know Steinmart was online after they closed down a bunch of their stores, so I'm not sure if they would still have any of those or not. But you could find a flower that you like. Now, this is just made out of ribbons. See how pretty? But you could take one that you find that you like, and then you could add the magnet to the back of it and the other piece to it. I think that's so pretty. And we just made a big change out of just taking this off and adding some fringed trim. Made a big difference, didn't it? Thank y'all for watching. I hope you will hit the thumbs up for me, the subscribe button, and you can share this video on YouTube as a post on your channel. Even if you don't make videos, I would appreciate it so much. Hit that bell and then select all to get all the notifications that I put out. When I upload a new video or when I go live, you'll get notified. Thank y'all. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.